G'day everyone, it's your Uncle Jojo. Great to see you all again. I've been asked a question by Stu. Stu, thanks for watching all the vids. Stu's asked me about before compress sheet and before set out of a bathroom, how we go about doing the subfloor frame. So Stu, I've got a surprise just for you today. We've got a subfloor frame that we're building up and we are putting fall already on it for the grate system. This is for a commercial property, not for a residential, but the sequence is still the same for a subfloor frame. The main thing we want to do, whether we're doing an overlay system or a joist system over the top of an existing area, is still the same principles. What we want to do is do a datum line all the way around, which I'll show you through, and make sure all of our levels are correct. Then from there, we put our datum points on, so our externals, and then we work our way in. I've seen in the past a couple of people start from the centre and work their way out. The problem with doing that is that you can't run your string lines, you can't run datum points. What we need to do is run our externals and then we work our way in between that by running string lines and getting everything up to height. This is what I mean, Stu. Come with me and check it out. Here we are, Stu. You can see here I've got my level. We've got a level point on both sides, here and here, and then I've run a string line across here, and then from there I've got a fall on this. You can see there it's out, and so I've got a 40 mil fall on that to run down into our grading system. I've run a template whaler on the wall that's already marked out, and then I've marked across from this side to this side, and we've got it exact. That way, as we work our way around, we can make sure that everything blends in well and that all lines are correct. And we've got a consistent level playfield this way, but we've got a fall running down into the grading system. And there we have it, finished, nice and consistently flat all the way through and even. No humps or bumps. Main objective was to get the externals on the lines that we needed to, whether that be level or running on a downward slope. Once we got the perimeter all sorted out, then string line and level lines everywhere wherever we needed to do them. We can measure off our level lines and get our datum points from there. While I've got you, whenever you're doing a wet area, you need to make sure, step over here, you need to make sure your internal corners the whole way round are set out and up in the internal corners. So what that allows for is compress sheet on the floor and our cement sheet comes down the wall. Then we'll actually silicone the internal join where those two meet, and then from there we will put our tanking tape or our waterproofing tape and our waterproofing membrane throughout. Any questions or queries about that, please flick them over. Happy to have a look at them for you. And any other requests for videos, flick them over. I'll have a look at those for you as well. Thanks for watching, and like always, stay awesome.